In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get PayPal money off hold. If you've just received a payment that's stuck on hold, the most reliable way to release those funds is to add valid tracking details to the transaction. This lets PayPal confirm the item was shipped and is moving through a trusted carrier, which speeds up their review. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Once you're in, go to the top menu and click Activity. This page lists all your recent transactions. Look for the payment that shows as on hold. If you have a lot of activity, you can filter by date or use the search box to find it faster. When you've found the right one, click into it and open the transaction details. Inside the transaction, look for the option that says Add Tracking Info. Click that. You'll be prompted to choose an order status. Select Shipped. Choosing Shipped signals to PayPal that the order is on its way, which is essential for getting the hold reviewed. Next, make sure all the required tracking fields are selected and ready. Depending on your region and the carrier, you may see fields for the shipping carrier, a tracking number, and sometimes a shipping date. Enter the tracking number if applicable. Type it carefully exactly as provided by your carrier, no extra spaces, and select the correct carrier from the list if one is shown. If your carrier isn't listed but you have a valid tracking link, choose the most accurate option available and enter the number as given. When everything looks correct, click Submit to confirm. Submitting the tracking information triggers PayPal's review process. They'll check that the shipment is recognized by the carrier and moving as expected. As long as the details are valid, the funds should be released from hold once the review is complete. To verify the status, return to your activity page and reopen the same payment to check for updates. You should see the hold status change when the review progresses. If you don't see an immediate change, give it a little time for the carrier data to sync with PayPal. According to PayPal's official guidelines, adding valid tracking information is required to remove a payment hold. So make sure the information you submit is accurate, complete, and matches what your buyer received. That's it. If this walkthrough helped you get your money off hold, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials.